Everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily connect PayPal with your Revolut account. So let's start. First, what you want to do is you're gonna be in PayPal. Just click here on balance, and now you're gonna see it here banks. In banks, you want to link a new bank. When you're gonna click on link a new bank, you can click like if it's business or personal. It's my personal account. So you want to come here, and I don't know if you're gonna see it, but you should be probably seeing it. You want to find IBAN on your Revolut account. It's not really good looking, but this is where it is. Wait, give me a second. So opa, like that. So you can see here 10 euro. Just click here details, scroll down, and you're gonna see it here IBAN. So that's pretty much it. When you're gonna have IBAN, you want to just write it here. If you want, you can send me money, by the way. I won't be so link it, and now just wait for it. Next, security code on my phone. Oh my god, I clicked. Nice, we have it. I guess identity confirmed. Nice. So, and let's wait for it. Voila, balance. Yep, now we just have to wait. But of course, if you are from the US, it can probably bug. So just be careful. And then they will just need to send you money from PayPal to Revolut. And that's how we got it. So this is pretty much it. I will just repeat it. I will just link it because my account is now ready for it. And that's it. So goodbye and peace. They will need to send you like €1 and then to verify that it's your Revolut account. Goodbye.